Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we're going to be diving into two SBs that dropped today, both part of the same pack or set, whatever you want to call it. We do have the coconut milk colorway right here, as you guys can see, and we also have the burgundy crush colorway right here. I was lucky to get both from my skate shop yesterday, so shout out to the guys as always. Appreciate them. Nothing better than a retail SB release. And I also got an 11.5 off sneakers today. Anybody needs it, let me know. I might be holding on to it, but if anybody is interested, just hit me up on my Instagram, which you guys can see on the screen right now. We're gonna basically just be diving into if these are a good sneaker to hold over time, but I mean, I'll also dive into some of the up close details to give a quick little in-hand review. So that'll be the topic of this video for those of you that are curious, just diving into what the shoes look like. If you hit today, want to see what they look like, kind of closer up and in hand, or if you just kind of want to hold on to them, see what you can do with them. If you just kept them for a bit instead of selling them right now, if you weren't going to be keeping them for your collection. So again, check my Insta below if you need anything. I'm always buying, selling, trading. Just you can check my story, and that's pretty much what's going on, or any of the tabs here. And yeah, again, our group down below, HYPELABS. You want to cook more sneakers, you can see our Twitter right here, our Instagram, of course, some of the undermarket deals we've done recently. You can check out the short here, or even this right here. So that's really all I need to mention. Hope to see y'all down below. You get access to all this and everything else, and all you gotta do is join the waitlist, and you'll get a response within 24 hours. So that is all I'm gonna mention. You can even see some of the undermarket kicks in the screen we've done recently. So don't miss out on those deals. We got more of them coming tonight or tomorrow. So don't miss out, and that's all I really need to say. I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get into discussing these SBs right here. So before we really quickly dive into kind of the seller hold factor, the more popular colorway just based off sales, you can tell it is the light bone colorway, but I just kind of want to dive into the up close details of these. So firstly, getting into the light bone colorway, y'all can see here's what we got going on with the tongue tag, kind of almost like a silk material on this tongue tag up here, but also on the toe box, same material that they used on the tongue, also on kind of the midsection of this sneaker. It's not like anywhere near the sole or anything like that. It's also back by the heel, but we got a pretty simple colorway going on, nothing really too crazy. I do like the red lining that they chose to use. As you guys can see, that kind of goes around the whole entire sole, and then that kind of matches with what we got going on the tongue tag. And then as you all can see, we do have the insole, which is the same design that there's a long sleeve they were dropping in skate shops. It has this exact design, as you guys can see right there on it. And yeah, also really just looks like it'd be a really comfortable SB. You got kind of like, not like this quilted inside, but it's like very similar material to what we got on the toe box, but it just seems like very, very comfy, kind of similar to it's not like the Amamani or fours, but it's like kind of it's padded like them, you know what I mean? Very comfy SB. I'll leave it at that. But I mean, SBs kind of usually have this going on. It's just like the material that they chose to use is a little bit different. But that's the coconut milk colorway, just to give y'all quick up close glimpse. And then here is the burgundy crush one. Personally, I'm a bigger fan of the burgundy crush one. This is the one I could see myself wearing. I just kind of like what we got going on with the swoosh. I didn't know we had kind of this like shiny portion going around it, which they have it on the coconut milk colorway as well. Just it's all white, so y'all can kind of see it blends in a little bit more. But on this, it blends in also. Just kind of it stands out a little bit. Like you kind of notice it, but it's nice. Overall, this is one of those pairs that you'd be able to wear for a really long time. You wouldn't notice. I can't remember who heard that was saying it was like Southside HTX, some skate shop owner. Shout out to him. I can't remember who it was, but because I might have just said the wrong place. But he was saying you could wear these for a really long time and you wouldn't notice the wear for a while, and I could not agree more. That's true. With these, you could wear them for a pretty long time and you wouldn't notice it, I mean, obviously you'd probably notice, the crease in with the toe box, all that, but you're going to get that with suede SBs. That's just a part of it. But they definitely get more comfortable over time. That's one of the main things I can say about any SBs I've had with similar materials to these. So we got this really nice burgundy colorway. It's on the toe box as well. Back here by the heels, same material, and then of course that red lining, same thing that is on the coconut milk colorway, just basically on the burgundy colorway. So there's a little observation in case y'all didn't see. Same thing going on with the sole, just to show y'all both these. As y'all can see, same thing in the center, but two different colorways, burgundy, and then again kind of like coconut milk or all white, whatever y'all want to say. We got going on with these, and then we kind of got some speckles, going on. It's on the sole. It's on this Paris too, so maybe y'all can see that a little bit. I'll try and show y'all. But yeah, maybe you can see that. Just kind of, it's speckled a little bit, but that's really it with these. You know, it's really cool. Same detail with this tongue. I didn't really show y'all that, but same details right there. As you guys can see, that red lining, and then the insole, crazy details. It's the exact same design as the coconut milk colorway. Just, I'm trying to show it's a little bit darker so my camera doesn't capture it as well. But look at that material. I mean, that's nice. Like these are nice. I don't think anybody's doubting that. But aside from you know, what they look like in hand, they're both my size, personal size 9. So I might be keeping them. I'm not really too sure. I mean, I'm just gonna, like, you know, throw them in the sneaker vault I got, and then I mean, if they do well over time, then maybe I'll sell them. Maybe I'll tow them. I don't know. I haven't really decided yet. If there was one I was gonna tow, it would be just this Burgundy Crush colorway right here. Personally, bigger fan of that one. But aside from that, let's kind of get into the seller hold factor. So getting back into this, just screen recording right here, you guys can see the more popular colorway is the light bone one, just because it has more sales, as you guys can see, and based off current prices, I believe it is the colorway that is going for more. You guys can see there the big sizes, and then the Burgundy Crush one. Oh, there you go. So this is one thing I will say. I did see more W's for small sizes in the Burgundy Crush colorway. However, for big sizes in the Burgundy Crush, this colorway, I did not see a lot of W's for 11 plus. So I do think this colorway in particular in big sizes is a good bet. Main reason for that is just there wasn't as many sneaker dubs for this one in those big sizes. But for this one, I saw plenty of dubs, 11.5, 12, 13. 8, 9, whatever, you know. It basically, once some pairs land from sneakers, market will probably drop like $10, maybe $15, but it'll recover over time. This is one of those sneakers that's a really easy hold. Like, whenever you have the opportunity to buy an SB cheap, I mean, yeah, get it bulk and then just throw it in the vault for a year or two, and then down the line you'll be like, dang, I'm up. Yeah, I mean, that's just how it is, because it's still a good, you know, good colorway. You can see there's clear demand for it. People early were paying $300, $280. So I mean, that's your range of where they can go to over time if you just need, you know, kind of to gauge that. Realistically, I could see these heading to like $250. But again, that's going to take a long time. You're going to need to wait a little bit. That's just the main thing with that. Whenever it comes to holding sneakers, it's mainly a waiting game, and it actually has to be worth your time too. Like, if you only have 1 or 2 pairs, I mean, sure, it's up to you, but personally, I think only holds are worth it if you have like more than one of those pairs, right? So that's one of the main things I'll mention about these. They're very nice. Once people get them in hand, they'll definitely notice that. Some people actually might not sell them when they see them in hand, because they'll be like, oh wait, whoa, these are nice, I'm just going to keep them for a bit. So we may see that happen. Might not drop as much as we expect, but I definitely think there is some demand for these. Just kind of keep in mind, smaller sizes in these are a little bit easier to get than smaller sizes in these, and bigger sizes in these are a lot harder to get than big sizes in these. Hence why the market is, you know, kind of reflecting that. You can see small sizes, big sizes, big sizes. So there you go. Kind of what I'm just trying to say. Hopefully that was a good example to show you guys. So if you are curious, if you're curious about just what sizes to hold in general, me personally, I would say 5 through 7 in the white colorway. That's kind of a risky bet though, just because they're near retail, but you can buy them near retail, so it's not like you're ever going to be down on them, right? You just might be sitting on them for a while. But I do think 5 through 7 in base sizes, great bet, just because this is a, you know, kind of city of love, you know, kind of ladies, you know, girls themed a little bit. I mean, you got the silk material, like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe, but that's just kind of what I'm saying there with those. Or you could just go with 11 plus in either colorway. I feel like just big sizes, any SB. SB's hot in the market right now, so if you just hold on to big sizes, you'll probably make your money back in a couple months, or not make your money back, but you'll make more than you would selling them now in a couple months. You know, it really is that quick with SB at the moment, even with decent stock. These has, I think it was in 75,000 pairs. I mean, not crazy, but still, you know, they'll definitely make some good progress, I think. So just keep that in mind. Really nice pair. People are paying up for these, both of these, early, so just keep that in mind. Like, these will make some progress. You just are gonna have to be patient with it if you want to hold them. And I mean, they're amazing personals also. Like, these look comfy. I'm glad I got my size, because I might end up towing this one right here. I'm gonna just, you know, it's nice. I'm gonna have to think about it, you know, but I'll probably just save them for a bit, then, you know, decide. But that's really it. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If you're holding either of these, if you hit on sneakers today, let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to check us out down below at Hype Labs. You want to make more from your sneaker sales, cop on a market pairs with us, kind of learn how to source more. We had tons of people hitting these this morning. We were giving out some invoices for CCS yesterday. So, if you had been missing out on raffles, we were just, giving out some of those invoice links so, people could go and get a pair for retail. So, yeah, that's really it. Hope to see y'all there. Get access to the deals we do every single day. Got more of those tonight or tomorrow. And yeah, that's really it. Here's my socials also. If you need any pairs, if anybody's interested in the 11.5 I got in these, just let me know, because I can't wear the 11.5. I can wear the 9, but obviously that's not my size, 11.5. So anybody interested in the coconut milk one, 11.5, let me know. I will get it to you ASAP once it lands from Sneakers. So that is it. I'm going to end that screen recording. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. 10 minutes. Perfect. I think I did a good job with kind of getting to the point. But let me know which one's your favorite. For me, it's going to be this one right here. But, if yours is this one, let me know. Or if it's both. Hey, there is nothing wrong with that. You can say both. That's cool. We'll leave that as an option. Both coconut milk or burgundy. Let me know in the comments. That's it, though. I'm T. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace.
Sticks made a bucket head.